Hi, first graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and I'm back with a special guest. Do you remember? Chip. Hi, Chip. What do you say? You want to say hi to everybody? Say hi, Chip. He was outside basking in the sun, and I just couldn't resist. I brought him in here to say hello to you. So, everybody say hello. Chip, say goodbye. All right, we're on to math, okay? Okay. So we're going to start first with our number talk. So the first thing we're going to look at is 10 equals blank plus 3. 10 equals blank plus 3. All right, I want everyone to hit pause so that you can figure that out. Hit pause right now. Okay, do you know it? Do you know your friends of 10? Have you learned your friends of 10? Are you learning them with me? I hope you are. So if we have 10, like this right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 10. We have to figure out blank plus what? Or 10 equals blank plus what? Oh my gosh, you guys, my brain is a little mixed up. I better read that again. 10 equals blank plus 3. Okay, I got it. Okay, so we started with 10, and that's the same as what plus 3. Okay, so what would we have to add on to 3 to get to 10? Oh, let's count them out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, 7. You guys, I think I was confusing myself in that one. Is it okay to get confused sometimes? Yes. Do adults get confused too? Lots of times, right? We just have to work our way through that confusion. Thank goodness you were there with me because I got through it. All right, here's your next one. 3 plus what makes 12? Okay, I want everyone to hit pause. 3 plus what makes 12? Hit pause. On the count of 3, I want to hear your answers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. I think I know. Did some of you say 10? No? Did some of you say 9? How about 8? Let me grab my 120 chart. Here we go. You guys, can you hear my dogs in the background? They're going crazy. Okay, so here's my mini 120 chart. All right, so 3, there's my 3 plus what gets me to 12? Well, I know if I did 3 plus 10, I'd get to 13, right? So 3 plus what would get me to 12? Has to be 1 less than 10, so it must be 9. Here's another way of looking at it. There's my 10. I make a 12, right? So 3 plus 9 makes 12, right? You can kind of see that there. All right, so let's put a 9 in there. 9. You could also use your fingers, right? So you could also say, I've got 3. Oh, we'd have to get our toes involved too, or somebody else's fingers. So 3, there's 3. And then I'd have to keep on counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, I figured out a way to use just 2 hands because I've got 5 and 4. All right. Good job, kids. Now, we've got a story. You may have already noticed that my cubes are a different color today. I have some brown cubes, and some of them fell, and I have some white cubes, and they kind of go with my story. So my story is, could you guess? What is brown and white? You may have figured it out. You probably didn't, though. It is hot chocolate. Okay, I love a good cup of steaming hot chocolate when it's cold outside, which for Southern California, it's pretty cold right now, right? So I am going to write a little story for you about hot chocolate. Now, we've got some hot chocolate here. And we've got some crazy people out there that don't appreciate marshmallows. I don't know about those people. I don't know. If you're like me, you like marshmallows. Oh, maybe those people would rather have whipped cream. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. All right, so let's read this and find out. Hot chocolate. There were cups of hot chocolate. Okay, so we're gonna know how many cups of hot chocolate there are. Cups had marshmallows, and the rest did not have marshmallows. How many cups of hot chocolate did not have marshmallows? Okay, there are those crazy people out there who don't like marshmallows in their hot chocolate. I'm just gonna pretend like they must like whipped cream better. That feels good to me. Just kidding, you guys. Okay, so let's find out how many cups of hot chocolate there were, and then how many cups had marshmallows. Then we'll have to figure out how many cups did not have marshmallows. All right, here are our number sets. Here we go. Ready? We've got 10 and 6. We've got 20 and 6. And we've got 32 and 15. All right, so let's say we choose the 10 and the 6. We're going to read it again. There were 10 cups of hot chocolate. Okay, there are my cups of hot chocolate. 6 cups had marshmallows. All right, so part of these had marshmallows, and the other part did not. How many cups of hot chocolate did not have marshmallows? Okay, kids, are you ready to solve? You need to grab your tools. You need to grab your paper and your pencil. Grab your dog too. All right, and I'll see you next time. Bye, kids.